Folks, you're watching EZRA ONDARA TV. John amekuwa kinichekesha hapa kidogo, so that's why amepatikana akicheka. She's still laughing. So we are in Kiamonye, okay, in Nakuru City. Okay, so Joanne is going to help me to a 3-bedroom apartment that is for rent in Kiamonye. Sindio?
Yes.
The lush green Kiamonye. I always tell them that. So this is a 3-bedroom apartment with a study room and with an SQ. So there are those 2 additional features of this apartment. So it's not your regular 3-bedroom that you just go here and there, okay? And it is master and suite. Very nice. So mpaka hapo, si tuende ndani tuangalie nyumba yenyewe.
Umesahau. The location is where? Kiamonye.
I've said Kiamonye.
Gai. Behind Gai.
All right, let me just pin you the correct location. We're in Kiamonye. Our landmark is Hotel Good Part. So wherever you're seated, wherever you're watching from, if you can just Google Hotel Good Part in Nakuru, behind there is where we have this 3-bedroom apartment. Just 100 meters off the Tarmack, which is Nakuru Kabarak Road.
Exactly.
Sini hapo wako sawa?
Hapo iko sawa. And it's very accessible. Matatu is just out here.
Sure.
Taxis are just out here. The shopping center is just right at the doorstep. So it's a very accessible place and even, convenient.
Yeah. And since you have talked about that, let me also add the thing of school. There are parents who usually ask me, are there schools around? So just around here, just to mention, we have St. Cecilia Academy, we have Kiamonye Secondary, Kiamonye Primary School, public schools, those ones. We have the Great Rift School. Just behind here for international, for those who want their kids to go to international. From here, a walking distance, we have the Mustard Seed International School.
Yes.
Tuko sawa mpaka hapo?
Tuko sawa, alafu pia umesahau, not very far from here, we have Kagaki School.
Even Kagaki School. So for those parents who, who are usually, Ezra, where will I take my kid? I think hapo nimekusaidia.
And the most beautiful thing is, buses zinapita tu hapa nje.
Sure.
When you come here on a weekday, there's so many school buses out here. So it's very convenient.
Sure.
Yes.
Uko contented sasa?
Sawa, niko sawa.
Sasa tuende tuone nyumba.
You give people the exact location. Usiseme nani, good put ama good part?
Good part. So see. When I sat down with the boss of the hotel, even me, I was pronouncing it at good put. But when I sat down with the boss, he told me it is good part.
The good part for golf.
For golf. He's a golfer.
You should be one. So
P-U-T-T, good part. So it is Hotel Good Part. Exactly. He's a golfer.
So it's good part.
It's good part. Like when you pat the ball in golf,
you're patting it good.
And you do a good shot, it's a good part. They say good part.
Ezra nimekwambia.
Yes, John. Leo tuko na kitu hapa tofauti ambayo haijaonekana hii Nakuru yote.
Hatuko tumeona.
Tunakusaidia for continuity. Folks, there is this, grill door here. Okay, this is house number 3. It's written. But then we came through that main door again, coming to this block. There are 3 blocks. This one, the center, and the far end.
And that means something, Ezra. It means security is a very great feature that they considered when doing the house.
All day. So, Joan, tukifika hapa, actually your house starts from here. Although there is another door here.
Yes.
Because this side, you're going to the SQ.
Yes.
You can imagine. So many people have got this issue of mteka wapi mfanyikazi. So there is an SQ.
Na wageni extra nitaweka wapi. So when you come here, there's an SQ here.
Sure.
And this room can fit a bed of 3 by 6.
Yes, 3 by 6.
Yeah, it has its own storage.
Yeah.
And then on the side, when you go to this other side, it has a self-contained bathroom.
Sure.
So mgeni wako atahangaika, and again, if you have a live-in house help or a houseboy, atahangaika. So Ezra, here we now come to the main door, which is a mahogany door. Look at all this.
Hardwood.
Yes.
Exactly.
Then once you open like this, it ushers you into the living room.
Perfect. There we go.
The living room is very, very spacious, as you can see, with enough lighting. Not just the electric lighting, but also enough lighting in terms of the natural lighting.
Wonderful.
Maybe another very good feature that we haven't told our viewers is that it comes with a balcony at the lounge.
All day.
Yes.
And
so here's the balcony, Ezra.
It has a nice view of the, you know, of the surrounding, of the
Yes.
compound.
Yes.
You know, from out here. And I like the way there is this grill. I mean, this place now is private. You know, this is your, I mean, this is part of your home.
Yes.
So you can always put some, you know, some garden chairs out here, some couch. Could relax too, catch a cool breeze.
Yes.
Sindio?
Yes, and it can be an extension to the dining place actually.
Sure.
Yeah, because the space is sufficient.
Yeah.
You can have children eat from here. And the most amazing thing that I am looking at is just the feature out here. The compound is clean. The green is amazing. There I go again with amazing.
The parking.
There's sufficient parking.
Sure.
Yes, yes, yes.
John.
I was trying to avoid that word today.
Some of the comments that I usually get, the most common comment that I get on my videos is the tile work. Speak about the tile work here.
It's well coordinated actually, and it's a cool tile color. It has a wood finish. It's a very nice tile color, and yeah.
The space.
We normally go to various homes and we really have an issue with the tiling
tiles,
and the color coordination.
Yeah.
When you look at this, it's just a soft white all over.
Imagine.
And the tiles are quite calm and cool. And the sitting room also comes with good features.
Yes.
There's sockets everywhere, so you can choose where to put your TV, where to put your entertainment unit and all that. Then it also has a sink out there, which designates that to be like a dining place.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we also have the wall brackets that you just control the lighting from somewhere here.
Oh,
it becomes
nice.
dim.
They just came on actually.
Yes, 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 yes. So it gives you more lighting. And the proximity also, sorry. The proximity to the kitchen, you see? So this clearly tells you this can be a dining place because it's so close to the kitchen. We'll talk about the kitchen later.
I think we can just go there.
Yes,
So
we can
we're
go to the
done here.
kitchen, right?
Except maybe I can speak about the lighting
Yes,
here.
yes, yes, yes.
Those two large windows, that side and even on that side. Two sides, you know, light coming from two sides, and even that one.
Yes.
Since it is, you know, it's kind of a glass door, you know, so ideally
it gives
adds,
in more lighting. Yes, yes, yes.
So you can take us to the kitchen.
Yes,
You
yes.
spoke about it. We can just
And
go
the
there.
kitchen is conveniently placed next to where the dining space would be.
Yes.
Now, this is the kitchen.
Yeah.
And the kitchen comes with the granite tops, with enough storage. There's enough, you know, what are these things called, EZRA?
Electric sockets.
Yeah, electric sockets. It has a double sink.
Wonderful.
Which is a very modern feature in real estate. Then there's something here that we haven't seen in so many houses, EZRA. This is the wash area.
That's why I told you today I'm taking you to one unique house.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the wash area is here. You can put your washing machine there.
Exactly.
Wamama tulisema mambo ya kuharibu makucha.
Yes.
So you can wash from here.
Tell me about the tiling on the enemy.
I think it was meticulously done.
Awesome.
Yes.
Now, so I think having done the soft white and then doing this kind of, is this dark gray or something?
Yes.
I think it creates a nice contrast.
It's a very nice contrast, yes, yes, yes.
Yeah? Sindio?
Yes.
Alafu the tiles again, you know, they are really good. They are easy on the eyes, you know, nothing shouting.
And then it's also anti-slip.
Yeah.
That's what I've noticed. Just to take care of any waters around here. Yes.
Alafu there, bana yako inatoshana aje wewe?
60 by what? 1 meter is 60 by.
That's a 6 burner.
Yes,
Sindio?
the 6 burner.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's enough for a 6 burner.
Sindio?
Yes.
Like itafit hapo perfect. Sindio? And then John, I will try to access the cabinetry.
Short nation, we are taken care of. Si lazima utafute stool, we are taken care of.
Yeah.
So you can always have an access to everything that you have.
Yes.
Then on top there, maybe you can put things that you're not using.
Yes.
Yeah, and then also the window. Look at the window.
Yeah,
it is
really
quite
nice.
big and quite large.
It's wide.
Yeah, it's very wide. So it gives a lot of fresh air into the kitchen.
The kitchen.
Yes, yes, yes.
And here, like, hata mimi na wewe tu tunatembea hivi, including the camera person, meaning the entire family can be here. Like, at some point.
You can have,
you know, cooking, making birthday cakes, etc.
Yes.
Sindio?
And hakuna kitu tamu EZRA kama chapati inapikwa unakula saa hiyo. Sasa hiyo ndo uzuri wa jiko ni
That's the
kubwa.
best. That's the best.
Yes, yes.
So now, Joan, this corridor inatupeleka to the rest of the house.
Yes.
So huku ni master bedroom. Maybe tunaweza enda hapo baadaye.
You save the best for the last.
Okay, so through that door hivi. Hapa ni common toilet. So we have 2 bedrooms here. And we have a common toilet here. Joan, I like the way, there is this fan of mine who always comments about the bathroom. She hates a wet toilet. So although for this one, they are in the same, you know, in the same unit, in the same space, they did that stepper there.
Yes.
So that when you are on the shower area, you know, that water is not spilling that side.
Yes.
And again, you can always do
a shower curtain.
A shower curtain here.
Yes.
And the toilet has come first, you know, ahead of the shower area.
This is called proper planning. Yeah.
Which is wonderful.
Yes. So this is bedroom 2.
Yes. No, the 1 actually.
Bedroom 1, yeah?
So and 2 is on that side.
2 is on this side.
Yeah.
So technically, bedrooms fit maybe a 5 by 6 bed.
5 by 6 is best.
Yes, 5 by 6. This other side also 5 by 6.
Yeah.
And then maybe you can show them the storage. It has a mirror. Wale mna wasichana wanapenda kujiangalia.
Wasichana lazima wajiangalie.
Uko juu, there's enough storage. You see this?
Yeah.
That's just enough for clothes.
Sure. Wasichana lazima wajiangalie.
Lazima wajiangalie.
Hata wajiangalia kidogo.
Ndio hii bedroom 2.
I think this bedroom is smaller than this one.
Yeah, it's slightly smaller.
So this one, kwa hiyo 6 by 6 hii ndio inaweza fit.
Hii hapa ni 4.
This one ni 4 by 6. I think wameziunda biggest. Hiyo tu ku create
sasa tunaenda kwa biggest.
Kwa biggest ni kwa master bedroom. Si ndio? But ideally the features ushawaambia namna hiyo. And they are well lit.
Yeah, they're well lit.
Okay.
And the color is just almost the same throughout the house.
Yeah.
Maybe we can use this other side.
This is the door going to the master bedroom, but the caretaker has misplaced the keys. So we'll use a different door. We'll still get there, don't worry.
Yes.
All right. We'll still get there.
So, sorry guys, we forgot to speak something very important about this space. Ezra, did you know that you have a secret study room in this house?
Yes.
After the dining, you go into the secret study room.
The study room.
Yes, so the study room is here, guys. Which rental house comes with a study room anyway, if not this?
Exactly. That's why I told you today I'm taking you to one unique apartment.
Yes. So you have a study room here, and you can access the study room from the sitting room, and you can also access it from the master bedroom. Okay.
And the fact that there are doors here, there is this door here, and another door from the master bedroom.
So you
ideally, should the guys of the master bedroom feel like they want this to be their space?
Yes.
Well and good.
Well and good.
But ideally, it is meant to be a study room. I think a sizable table can fit here. There is an electrical socket there. You can work here with your laptop. You have a window there. You can always be working. Then you chungulia outside, sindio?
Yes.
Exactly.
And you can also convert it into a children play area.
Can you imagine?
Yes, you can. They can keep their toys here. They can always come here, especially when you have visitors and you don't want a mess. So you can have your children here.
Sure. Yeah. So now we are using the back door of the master bedroom. So we are inside the master bedroom now.
Yes. So you said, Ezra, biggest.
Biggest,
So we're in the biggest bedroom in this house.
Yeah, sure.
So look at the storage. Look at the storage. His and hers.
This is enough for two.
Yes.
Yeah.
His and hers you're taken care of. Look at the window, the lighting. 3 windows, really. That's just enough lighting. 3 windows is just sufficient. Yeah, and then it has its ensuite.
It's ensuite.
Yeah, so it has its own bathroom and a toilet. Yeah.
And it's only the master bedroom is ensuite here. They need to know.
So Ezra, ningependa kukuuliza swali. Ingekuwa wewe ndo unachukua hii nyumba, ungeweka kitanda wapi?
Kitanda? Sinaangalia mahali nazimia socket. So naweza zimia socket hapa. Naweza zimia socket huku. Hii ni bed switch. Okay, I think zimewekwa the same height. Yeah.
Kwa hivyo kitanda itakuwa wapi?
My bed will go like hapa. Yeah, hivi.
Okay.
So
which is okay. It will give you, you know, the side drawers will have space. Na hata ukichagua hivi Ezra, itatosha. So guys, 6x6, sufficient space. Yeah.
Bring it.
Yeah.
The toilet tulisema vile imepangwa. I think it is the same as we saw the other side, unless ni kubwa kidogo. Yeah, the concept is still the same. Yeah, there is a shower area on that side, and they have. Come and look at their faucets.
Yes, yes.
I mean, look at that shower.
Yes.
No, good quality.
The shower is of good quality. Look at even the tap. Si mambo kufinya unachoka. You just tap kidogo.
Alafu tiles.
Tiles is
classy.
Please just show them the tiles. This is just good color coordination. Look at the gray, it fades to a darker color. And then down here, it's also dark and anti-slip. Anti-slip. It comes with a hot shower. Imagine. It comes with a cold shower this side. By the way, have you noticed there are two showers?
Yes.
Yes. There's a cold shower and a hot shower.
And a hot shower, yeah. Ndio nilikuwa nakuita ukuje uone. Wonderful stuff.
Hey, mbona nitahamia huku mimi Ezra?
So ulete ule best yako ulisema anataka 3 bedroom.
Wacha nimlete. Mimi niendelee kukaa ushago. So I think that's just about it, guys. So Ezra, maybe utawaelezea. This goes for how much?
This one okay. This one is being offered for 35,000 Kenya shillings. 35,000. Now I've done some other 3 bedrooms elsewhere for 35,000. But John, they didn't have the study room, and they didn't have the SQ.
Exactly. Neither did they have the wash area.
Neither did they have the wash area.
Yes. Yeah.
And they don't have this environment that we are seeing out there. So this one for 35, it's a bargain for me.
Yeah, it's value for your money, guys.
Yeah, it's a bargain.
Yes. Don't forget the usual 1 month deposit, 35,000.
Yeah,
that's it. Important. Tokens, I mean, it's a prepaid elec. Exactly. So you just come, you put in your tokens, and you move on with life.
Sure. I think we are done here.
Yeah, we are done.
Iko mambo mengine imebaki kweli?
Umesahau Ezra. Umesahau kuambia there's a caretaker who lives here.
Okay. Sawa.
Umesahau kuambia there's an electric fence.
Sasa hiyo tunaongelea nje wewe.
Nimefikiria huko nje iweze tumefunga story ya nje.
John, what do you see?
I see beautiful plants. I see a well-knit, well-knit parking.
Yeah.
I see a very nice security feature out here.
Yeah.
I see solar panels and solar lights.
Yes.
So what does it say? The security here is perfect.
Yes.
Security here is perfect. The environment is serene.
Yes.
And even the painting, the finishing and all that is just amazing.
It looks beautiful.
It looks very beautiful. Yeah. It looks beautiful. And then when you see out here, there's enough space for the kids to play. I can see kids enjoying their bike ride and just having fun out here. Yes.
Folks, they have sufficient parking. We only have 9 homes here, 9 apartments, and they have, surely this is enough parking for 9 residents here. So let me also mention that they have water storage of 80,000 liters. Okay, so water here is 24/7. That is very important. Water, security, now safi.
Well taken care of.
Sindio.
The compound is neat. The finishing is perfect. Maybe you can give them a shot of just how it looks out here. It is just perfect.
Yeah.
Yes.